The Evolve series represents a smarter investment. With simplified wiring and programming software and a powerful 10-amp power supply featuring voltage boost, expensive material and labor costs are significantly reduced, delivering immediate value to your customers. The Evolve series is designed for backwards compatibility, working with existing initiating and notification devices, wiring and backboxes from VS2 and VS4 systems, saving you money and minimizing downtime, while delivering consistent protection. We've designed retrofit kits to streamline upgrades, which eliminates the need to replace existing backboxes, buy new cabinets, disturb existing pipe and wire, or repair walls. The Evolve series, powerfully simple, simply powerful. Contact your Kidde Commercial representative today.